Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we'll guide you through how you can check for a Milestone credit card application status. So for this, the most relevant option is to contact the customer service of Milestone Credit Card. This is because Milestone is not currently offering the feature of live chat. So you need to call the customer service. Dial the number 1-800-305-0330. Upon dialing the number, wait for the representative. Ensure that you have your information, that is your account information. That will require your name, address, and the last four digits of your credit card. Then follow the prompt to check your application status that the representative will ask you for. You might be able to use the automated system or will be transferred to another representative depending upon the application status. When prompted, give your application reference number or any other details requested for verification. If you have forgotten your application reference number, you can give them your name, address, and your CVV or the last four digits of your credit card. The automated system or the representative will search for your status and will give you the information about approved, pending, or denied. You can ask for the pending or the denied reason and ask what you can do to restart the application status again, or if you can reapply. Follow the prompt carefully, and if you can, retry for your application. If not, wait for the pending to be approved. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.